Okay, we've cut our pieces out for this head we're going to make. And I used a pattern to cut these out, and there's 7 pieces to the head. So we have our center pieces, which are 3 of these. These are our centers. So those will get glued together here. Then our neck, this head with the neck pieces will get on next. There and there. And then our outside pieces go on here. So that will form our head. And then these pieces, because I want the cheeks to really pop out, these pieces will go on the side here to make the cheeks much bigger. So I cut these out, then I sanded down the edges to get all those little burrs off of there from cutting. So we always start with our center pieces and work our way out when we're gluing these together. So we'll start with these two. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, please put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. You just want to spread your glue out. Make sure you cover everything up with it. And then what I'll do is I'll clamp these two together, then I'll let it set for a few hours, and then I'll add another piece. If you try to put too many pieces together at once, then you get a lot of slipping and sliding in there with your pieces. So I find it better if you just take your time and only do 2 pieces to start with, and then add 1 piece after you've let it set up for a while, a couple hours, and then add another piece. Wait a couple hours, add another piece, and then once you get all the pieces glued together, what you want to do is just let it set overnight. I'll let it set for a day or 2 just to make sure I got a good bond on it. Okay. So you just take your clamps and clamp it all around. Your first one, you just want to kind of make it, it's going to be just a little snug so you can still move it if you need to, because it does, like I say, it does slide on you. So we're going to just put one there. Up here. And just wipe up the excess glue as you go. But you can adjust it where you need to. And then once you get it set where you want it, then you can tighten it down. So if you've got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Just don't clamp it down too hard. Make it really nice and snug, but you don't want to overdo it. and squeeze all that glue out. If you squeeze all that glue out, then you end up having some pieces splitting on you, coming apart because they don't stay together once you start your carving. So it's all a learning curve. Okay, there we go. So we'll set this aside, let it set up, then we'll add another piece. Thanks for watching.